Bardesh Taluka Under 17 Boys Subroto Mukherjee Football Tournament, which was started on 9th July. Today we have witnessed the finals of this tournament, which was played between St. Brito High School Mapsa and St. Xavier's High Secondary Mapsa. St. Xavier's High Secondary won this tournament and now has qualified for the district level tournament. Altogether 28 high schools and 5 higher secondary participated in this tournament. We are very much thankful to the Goa Football Association for providing us this ground, one of the topmost, one of the finest venue for the football in Goa.
Came up in a nice way. First, we played against Asagaon Union. We beat them. The second match was against Giri, where we scored 3-0. Then the third match with St. Anthony Pule. There also we scored 3-0. It was a good game. And the best game of the tournament for Breeders was with St. Thomas High Secondary, Arizona, where we were 3-1 down for the first half, but we went on to win 4-3 in the full time. Today's match, as we had expected, it was more physical. Xavier's played better football than us. Actually, if you go to say one goal was the best goal they have scored, the two goals, slight tiredness from the defenders, and they scored the last two goals in last 5 minutes. This is a good tournament, good exposure, well organized. Thanks to the DSYA for organizing this. The ground is superb, everything was very nice. Once again, I will congratulate St. Xavier's, but my team Britos did well also. Thank you.
This year's edition of the Subroto Cup at Bardesh Taluka was very well organized. Again, I should congratulate our TSO Anand for making provision of this lovely ground. And I wish many of the other zones also take an example of Anand. We have such grounds all over Goa. They must give the children good grounds to play. It is only then we can think of India football coming up. It was overall organized very nicely. Games were held on time. Probably the time factor could improve a little. But rest, everything was perfect. And I wish Anand all the best for all his other games in this year. Thank you.
रे साहिल रे अरे साहिल अच्छा है